Hi there, Chris Fox here. I'm at 6215, continuing on with this pumping out of the diesel fuel. So we have that much diesel fuel to pump out, and we are pumping right now. We have it hooked up to the sump drain, and we are pumping the diesel from the main tank using our diesel pump. And we are right now putting it in a 45 or 55 gallon drum. Inside the RDC. So we'll keep an eye on this, making sure that it's going to pump all the way out. And yeah, when it's drained, we'll have a look at it again. Okay, so more in a bit. Okay, so we finished pumping, and we had ended up getting 2 3/4 barrels out of the tank, and so now we'll head back to the car. While we are taking, or while we don't have any fuel in it, I am going to replace the gasket on this fuel gauge as well, which will stop any weeping and dripping that we have on it. It needed to be done, so this is a perfect time to do it. So we'll do that as well. All right, so we got all the screws out of this glow rod sight glass. And they're all down there in the tie. But this glass should just pull off like that, and you can see there's some cracks in it, so we're going to replace the glass too. But that's what the glow rod looks like when it's clear, and then this here is the gasket that we're going to replace. It's pretty straightforward. Anyways, okay, for those of you that have never seen one of these things apart, that's what it looks like without anything in it. So the fuel goes, the air goes out the top, fuel comes in the bottom, and the fuel runs up and stays to where it needs to go. It shows it a level. This is the actual glow rod stick with all the little notches in it. And it sits inside here, and then there's the gaskets and the screws that hold it all together. So we'll just rebuild this and the glass on the front. Okay, so we got the bottom part in, and we have the glow stick back in, the glow rod back in, and I have some sealant that I put around it, some diesel sealant. And in stores, I was able to get a new glass, so which is cool. I don't think it's completely new, but you know what? It's new to us, and it's in really good shape. So I was able to get it, and we'll use it, and then I'll put it on there, and it should be good to go. All right, so there it is, all installed. It looks pretty good. It won't leak, and that's what I'm happy about. So on to cleaning the sump.